StarLeaf on the Yealink VP59 provides a familiar, intuitive user interface on a large touchscreen display. Before you begin registering your VP59 to the StarLeaf platform, you will need to download 2 files from the StarLeaf Knowledge Center. A link to this can be found in the video description. Right-click on each file and select Save Link As. Save each file to your computer and allow them to download fully. We'll come back to these later. You will need the local IP address of your VP59. You can find this under Settings, Network, IPv4 Status. In a web browser connected to the same network as your VP59, type this IP address into the search bar. You are redirected to the Yealink login page. Log in using the username admin and the password admin. Once logged in, click on Settings and then Upgrade. In the Upgrade Firmware section, click Browse and open the Yealink VP59 ROM file you downloaded earlier. Click Upload and then OK. The firmware update can take a few minutes. Do not close your browser or power off the VP59 during this process. Once the upgrade is complete, you will need to refresh the page and re-log in to the VP59 web interface. This time click Settings and Configuration. Under CFG Configuration, click Browse and open the CFG configuration file you downloaded earlier. Click Import, then OK. When the page refreshes, click Confirm at the bottom of the page. The upgrade can take a few minutes. Do not power off the VP59 during this time. Once the Yealink firmware upgrade is complete, you will need to log into your StarLeaf account on the VP59 to finish the setup process. For more information, visit support.starleaf.com.